Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a parking reminder on the Flowbird application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the My Account button down below in the right side corner, and then click on the Preferences button, which is the third option. Click on Parking Session Notification, which is the first one, and here you can select from three options. You can either get your notification via, so it can be a push notification, you can get it via email or SMS. So if you tap on the push button, you can set a parking session reminder, which is a reminder before the expiry. So click on this button on the right side, then click on Allow, thereby allowing the app to have access to your notifications. And here you can set an hourly notification ranging from 5 minutes to 59 minutes. And you can also set it to long term. If you click on email, you can get a summary of parking actions or also the reminder notification, and that's the same for the SMS option. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.